Welcome back. Whenever you complete a Camtasia recording, what's going to happen is when you stop the recording, that recording is going to move into your integrated editor. And we're going to look at that integrated editor right now. As soon as you get into this area, it's a good practice to then save the project file. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the File area. We're then going to go to Save As. And before we start the editing process, we're going to name the new file as something that we will remember, as well as saving it in a place that we'll remember. Camtasia will then give you a message that says that your Camtasia project is now saved. You'll then click OK. Now, if you go to the directory where you save the project file, you will see that project file available within your file manager. Now, depending on what you did at the point at which you were setting up the software, you may not see the actual recording file. And what you'll want to do is to make sure that you can save your recording file someplace where you will have control. Or you want to make sure that you understand exactly where that file is going to be. What you'll need to do is to go to your recorder. And if you go to the recorder, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to look to the recording preferences. We're going to go to the Tools area and we're going to go to Preferences. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at Files. You're going to notice that at the point at which we set up the software, we opted for the automatic file name. We also opted for the default output folder. If we have determined that we're not in danger of having our file crash, what we can do is we can prompt Camtasia for the file name, and we'll then click OK. Now, if we start a recording, let's assume that we do, and we go through the recording process, and then we end the recording, you'll notice now that what we get is Camtasia will give us the opportunity not only to name the file, but also to determine where that file will be saved. And we can save the file in a new location. And then the recorded file will be moved directly to our integrated editor. We can then immediately go through the process of saving the new project. And then click Save. We're told then that our project is saved. But now when we go to our folder area, not only do we see our project file, but we also see the recording file from Camtasia that we have newly named. And we now have control over where that file is going to be and how it's going to be organized. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.